everyone, welcome to Isaiah's ToyReview.
Hi, Isaiah. What do you have?
PJ Masks.
PJ Masks. Oh, boy. You know the song for PJ Masks?
Yeah.
Let's sing it. PJ Masks is a PJ Mask. PJ Mask is a PJ Mask.
I can't think of a rhyme. PJ Masks is PJ Masks. PJ Masks, PJ Masks. PJ Masks.
Yeah, good job. And who are the characters we have in PJ Mask?
Cat boy.
Cat boy. Who else? Howlett?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see. Oh, they're on the back of this?
Gecko. Romeo.
We have Gecko.
Owlette.
Romeo and
Nine Ninja and just Luna Girl.
and
Luna Girl, but
Night Ninja and Luna Girl, but she's not there. But this is the PJ Masks cat car, and it's a Turbo Blast Racers.
yeah.
Pretty cool. And it comes with the car, and it's all blue,
Yeah.
light blue, and dark blue. And who is this boy?
Cat Boy.
Cat boy.
I think he's named Cat Boy because he's a boy.
And he has a cat mask. I think that's why his name is Cat Boy, and this is his cat car.
Cat car.
That's pretty cool. So we're gonna open it.
I can open it by myself.
Go ahead, you can open it.
Yeah. There was tape I saw. Yeah, here's the tape.
So there they are. Cat Boy and his cat car. Put him in. Let's see. Pretty cool, right? This is real cool. Let's look on the back.
His tail goes back there.
He has a tail?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Let's look at Cat Boy for a little bit. So here's his tail. Of course, he's Cat Boy. Look at him. He's all blue and silver. And he's smiling.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to fit him in. Put his tail in the back. And then Isaiah's going to try to fit him in.
I think his tail is the problem.
You think his tail is a problem? Yep, that way. Let's try it that way. Go ahead.
His tail can move.
So there he is. He's sitting in his Catmobile. Cat Boy in his cat car. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And now you just push it around and go wherever you need to. That's cool. Ah,
His wheels have these.
yes. Nice wheels, Cat Boy. We like your Catmobile. Uh-oh. There he is. So this is a pretty cool car. Yellow, blue, silver. And this is Isaiah's new toy. You like it, Isaiah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Super cat car jump.
Super cat car jump. Cool. Whoa. So tomorrow we're probably going to have a race tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay? So stay tuned, boys and girls. We're going to come back with Cat Boy. And the race, maybe he's going to race, I don't know, Mickey and the Rooster Racer. We will see.
Or chase on the case.
Or Chase on the case. That's cool, right?
Because Cat Boy and Chase are blue.
Yes, you are correct. Cat Boy and Chase are real. Hey!
Hi.
What is this? It's now Thomas pushing.
Thomas. I mean, Cat Boy.
So let's take a look at Thomas. Hey, and we all know Thomas. He has this huge smiley face, #1 train. Let's see what you're doing, because you're being very creative, Isaiah.
Going right there.
So now we're motorizing the cat car. Ooh, look at that go. Thomas pushed him all the way in. Let's see him come back this way now. This way. Uh-oh. 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 Look at cat boy. Cat boy. Cat boy. That's cool.
Oops.
Uh-oh. Who is that now?
Rusty.
That's Rusty. Rusty pushing cat car. Cat boy car. That's pretty cool. So now we have a motorized cat car. Look, let's see. Let's see who it is. Uh-oh. Let's see who it is. Here he is. Rusty, and he's motorized. There he is. His wheels is going, and he's number 5. And there is Rusty.
Go.
Off. And there is
Cat boy.
Cat boy. And now look who we have. It's LMS, pushing cat boy. That's pretty cool. Isaiah's been very, very, very creative today. Uh-oh, there you go. This way, this way. You gotta turn him this way. Uh-oh. Here he is.
Ah, he's scooting over.
Cat boy being pushed or motorized. There you go. Isaiah, that was pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, boys and girls. This is another fun tie that Isaiah just got. So stay tuned. Say bye, Isaiah.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.